So let's talk about your first 3 videos for on-site commissions. So there's a lot of questions like what's being approved, what's not being approved, what are some things to do. So I can tell you what I did, and I got approved within 2 weeks after submitting my videos. So the first thing you want to do is do not upload any more than 3 videos. That overloads the system for moderation. So make sure that when you do upload, 3 videos only. The best thing is make sure you have a clear picture. Use a good camera. Like for example, right now I'm using my Galaxy S24 Ultra, okay? And it takes really good pictures. So if you have a good camera, make sure that the pictures aren't grainy, the video isn't grainy, and so that, you know, the picture looks good in quality, right? The next thing you want to do is avoid anything that has like medical advice. Avoid making sure that there's like no UPC codes or scan things on any of the pictures. You want the thing to be completely clear of UPC codes on labels and stuff like that. Amazon does not like that. So you want to make sure that that's out of the picture. And the next thing you want to do is just make sure that it's 30 seconds or less. Don't try to do super long videos. Just make it clear and concise what it is. Tell about your experiences, why you like it. Sometimes the unboxing videos are really good too. So it's very simple. Just keep it simple. That's all it is. Make sure the picture's clear. Make sure that you avoid any medical advice or UPCs on there. Make sure that you make it simple and understandable. And then also the other thing you want to make sure you do is make sure you have a good thumbnail. You can create those thumbnails. It also makes it easier for people that are looking at the videos once they are approved to be able to click on it. So that's my advice when it comes to creating your videos. It's very simple. This is my honest opinion. Don't overcomplicate it. You don't need like this big long studio or anything. Make it clear and concise. Good camera picture, a thumbnail, avoid medical advice, UPC, codes, scans, anything that shows like a label on it from like the store that you would scan. They don't like it, and you'll be successful. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions on how I got approved for on-site commissions. I'd be more than happy to see what I can do to help you. Again, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by the ADHD Hustle. I'm Juliana. Have a great day.